Just like any other businesses, daycare facilities benefit from security surveillance systems. These devices provide a sense of safety and reassurance for parents, kids, and teachers. Surveillance cameras can help prevent and expose cases of maltreatment and abuse, as well as provide evidence in the case of any false claims against your business and employees. Security cameras should only be placed in common rooms such as play areas, lobbies, and hallways. Never place these devices in bathrooms or changing rooms. You will also want to place cameras facing all entrances and exits to capture clear footage of everyone who comes and goes. Security cameras can also help monitor employee behavior and ensure they are behaving and performing their duties how they should be. Remote viewing is a must-have because it gives parents the ability to check on their loved ones from their office or home. To make sure you're providing children with the utmost safety, please give us a call. Our sales team will do everything they can to make sure your facility is safe for childcare.